When was the last time you looked up at the night sky and really thought about what you were seeing? I remember the exact moment I truly understood the scale of the cosmos. I was 14, lying on my back in an open field far from any city lights, and I saw the Milky Way for the very first time. It wasn't a static photograph in a textbook. It was a living, glowing band of light stretching across the black vault of space. I felt impossibly small. In that moment, questions flooded in. How big is this? How old is it? What is it all made of? That night sparked a lifelong fascination with astronomy. The more I learned, the more I realized that the universe isn't just vast, it is utterly, beautifully bizarre. Today, we are exploring 5 mind-blowing mysteries of the cosmos that will completely change how you view reality. Let me walk you through them. Secret number 1. The scale of the universe, a septillion suns. Let's begin with a reality that challenges human comprehension, the sheer scale of the cosmos. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are individual grains of sand on every beach, desert, and ocean floor on planet Earth combined. Let that sink in for a moment. The observable universe contains an estimated 1 septillion stars. That is a 1 followed by 24 zeros. By comparison, scientists estimate the total number of sand grains on Earth at roughly 7.5 quintillion. That means for every single grain of sand under your feet, there are roughly 130,000 stars scattered across space. And remember, this only accounts for the observable universe, a sphere with a radius of about 46 billion light-years. Beyond this horizon lies region after region we cannot see, meaning the entire physical universe may be spatially infinite. If you attempted to count every star in the observable sky one by one, at a rate of 1 per second, it would take trillions of years, thousands of times longer than the age of the universe itself. Secret number 2. The speed of light. Looking back in time. Next, let's look at the cosmic speed limit, the speed of light. Traveling at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, about 186,000 miles per second, light is the fastest moving entity in existence. But because space is so immensely vast, light takes time to cover distance. This fundamental reality turns every telescope into a genuine time machine. When you look at the sun, you see light that departed its surface 8 minutes ago. When you look at our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, you see light that left 2.5 million years ago, back when early hominids were just beginning to walk the Earth. The most distant galaxies captured by deep space observatories are viewed as they existed over 13 billion years ago, providing us a visual record of the universe in its infancy. Furthermore, because space itself expands faster than light across extreme distances due to dark energy, distant galaxies are perpetually receding beyond our light horizon, placing vast regions of the cosmos forever beyond our reach. Secret number 3. Dark matter. The invisible architecture. Now, let's address one of the most unsettling discoveries in modern physics, dark matter. Everything we can see, touch, and measure, from stars, planets, and gas clouds to human beings, makes up less than 5% of the total matter and energy in the universe. Approximately 27% is composed of dark matter, an invisible substance that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light. We know dark matter exists because of its massive gravitational pull. When astronomer Vera Rubin mapped the rotation rates of galaxies, she discovered that outer stars were moving far too fast. Based on visible matter alone, galaxies should fly apart. An unseen gravitational framework holds them together. Despite decades of underground detection experiments, particle accelerator runs, and space observations, dark matter particles have never been directly detected in a laboratory. It remains an invisible framework shaping every galaxy cluster in existence, serving as a stark reminder that 95% of our universe remains entirely unmapped. Secret number 4. Saturn's diamond rain. Moving into our own solar system, consider a phenomenon that sounds like pure science fiction: diamond rain on gas giant planets. Deep within the atmospheres of Saturn and Jupiter, extreme environmental conditions forge precious gems directly from atmospheric gas. High in Saturn's atmosphere, Powerful lightning storms split methane molecules into hydrogen and carbon soot. As this carbon falls deeper through dense layers of gas, crushing atmospheric pressure transforms the falling soot into solid graphite and eventually into actual diamonds up to a centimeter in diameter. Scientists estimate that Saturn generates nearly 1,000 tons of diamond hail every single year. These diamond rain showers descend thousands of kilometers until they reach deep interior regions where intense thermal energy liquefies them into seas of liquid carbon. It is a striking demonstration of how extreme planetary physics creates wonders far beyond anything found on Earth. Secret number 5. The sounds of space. Cosmic resonance. Finally, let's dismantle a common misconception that space is entirely silent. While sound waves require a physical medium like air or water to travel, space is filled with electromagnetic radiation, plasma waves, and radio signals emitted by stars, planets, and black holes. By converting these electromagnetic frequencies into audible sound waves through a process called sonification, scientists can listen to the cosmos. A spinning pulsar produces a rhythmic, ticking pulse like an atomic clock. Jupiter's magnetosphere produces sweeping, ocean-like waves. Even supermassive black holes emit low-frequency gravitational ripples that can be transposed into deep, haunting audio drones. Most remarkable of all is the cosmic microwave background, the residual thermal glow left behind by the Big Bang. By transposing these microscopic temperature fluctuations into sound, acoustic physicists can play back the faint, hum-like echo of the creation of space and time. Space is not a dead, silent void. It is a dynamic orchestra of energy and waves. These 5 cosmic wonders, the septillion stars, light-time travel, dark matter, diamond rain, and the sounds of space, remind us that the cosmos is a breathtaking masterpiece of physics and mystery. We are small, but our ability to perceive, study, and marvel at this universe gives our existence incredible meaning. If you enjoyed this journey into astrophysics and space, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an investigation. Special thanks to our supporters: Sarah J., Mike R., Emma W., Carlos M., and Alex K. Your generous support keeps these deep scientific explorations alive every week. Thank you for watching, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next video.